Hello viewers, welcome to another technical video tutorial. So in this video tutorial I will show you how you can check whether your device has a virtualization feature or not. So you have to understand that the virtualization machine using KVM, VMware or VirtualBox mainly depends on CPU. So if your CPU hardware doesn't support it, you cannot make a virtualization or guest operating system running on your device. So it doesn't depends on your RAM, hard disks or network. So if you have Intel CPU, then there should be something like VTX, and if you have let's say if you have other operating system, sorry, not operating system, other processor like AMD, then you will be able to see something AMD-V, that means AMD virtualization, that is for Intel virtualization technology. So how you can check this? So there is a simple command that you can use CPU, then that there is a 5 command to uh, find the feature if it's already available in your system. Then grep and then just write virtualization. I have to write it virtualization. So yep, then press enter. I think there is a mistake. Virtualization, so you should not make mistake. So if you write this command, then you will find something virtualization VTX. That means your CPU support virtualization technology, and you can also check the information of your PC, or whether you have you have to first check the CPU information from your computer. So you can check it using that there are many information. CPU, so first you have to write cat and then process and then CPU info, then press enter. So here you can see my CPU information are already given here. So you have to understand that your CPU has enough capacity and you need at least minimum 1 GB RAM and 2 core CPU. This is the minimum requirement to make a virtualization. So yeah, you can see I have 4 core here, so I have enough CPU core here to make virtualization. So this is the basic information you have to check. Also you need to check how much memory you have left. So I have 16 GB memory and around 7 gigabyte available memory are available in my space. And then you can also check the hard disk, how much space you have available. So I have almost 713 gigabyte space available, so I can make 2 or 3 virtualization or maybe more. So this is the basic information you need to make sure before making the virtualization. So that's all for today.